Clean kicks, keeping feet fashionable and fragrant. Shoes are essential to keeping feet healthy. They protect our feet while we are working or working out. Shoes are also expensive and should be cared for properly. At Clean Kicks, we recognize the need for shoe cleaning services for the longevity of our shoe investments, but also for healthy feet. We offer a mobile shoe cleaning subscription service. We come to you to professionally clean and sanitize your shoes. Target market, athletes in Lincoln County. Athletes work hard and need clean, healthy footwear that is suited for their individual sport. Athletic shoes are expensive, so it is important to keep these shoes fresh and clean so that they can last through a vigorous athletic season. Lincoln County has 16 to 18 high schools with athletic programs within 25-mile radius. Keeping feet fashionable and fragrant. This is our prototype. Subscription based. One-time cleaning fee is $15. Weekly cleaning subscription service for a month. Subscription individual, $50. Team weekly cleaning subscription service for a month for teams of 10 athletes or less is $500. Each additional team member, $45. Additional fees for travel outside of 25-mile radius of Lincoln County. Subscription fees provide on-site shoe cleaning services, and our mobile van cleaning service fees include travel, cost of cleaning products, and time. Marketplace key partnerships. East Lincoln High School, West Lincoln Rebels, Lincoln Charter, and North Lincoln High School. Establishing relationships with local athletic teams is the most essential partnership. With our Give Back initiative and mobile options, Clean Kicks will be an easy addition to a great athletic season through the year in high school sporting events. Promotion, direct marketing. The plan is to reach out and establish relationships with the athletic director at the local high schools. Information such as flyers and brochures can be given to the athletic director, coaches, and the schools to market our services. Would like to make sure that parents of athletes are aware of these services, as they are the ones who would be paying for the most, interested in investing in maintaining shoes longevity. I would also request to bring our mobile van to sporting events to bring more attention to our services and establish relationships with parents and athletes. Point of difference. Why is Clean Kicks different? Today's shoes are expensive. They are an investment. We must protect our investments. Athletes work hard and are often hard on their shoes. Athletic shoes are often smelly and can be a haven for fungus and bacteria. Our services not only offer cleaning options, we also provide these services at your location. Buy one, give one. At Clean Kicks, we are not only focused on our customer relationships, we are also focused on helping our community with our buy one, give one promotion. For every shoe subscription purchase, we will donate a pair of shoes to local schools to distribute to homeless or needy children in our community. After all, foot health is important for the health of everyone, not just for those who can afford it.